Brooklyn is 5 months today, and she just started rolling over today, too. The same day. Huh? Huh, baby? You roll over for me? Yeah. Okay, go. Roll over. Come on, this way. There you go. Do it. Oop.
Oh, look how fast. You do. Yeah, what do I do?
Come on. Roll over.
Boy, I learned how to do it both ways.
Roll over. Woo.
Roll over.
Come on. Come on. Roll over. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good job. All the way over. Woo. And you get your arm out from underneath you. Yeah, she did that one already a little bit ago.